In this video, I will show you how to connect Google Ads to Claude using the InsightfulPipe MCP, discover which campaigns are performing well, and create a new campaign based on those recommendations. First, go to InsightfulPipe connectors and choose Google Ads from the available platforms. Sign in with your Google account and grant access to your Google Ads data. Select the Google Ads account you want to connect. The connection is saved. Now in Claude, go to Settings, then Connectors. Click Add Custom Connector, paste the Google Ads MCP URL, and click Add. The Google Ads connector is now added to Claude. Now let's use it. Write a prompt asking Claude to pull all campaigns from Google Ads and analyze their performance for the year. The prompt asks Claude to identify top-performing campaigns, explain what made them successful, and generate a recommended structure for a new campaign. Claude connects to your Google Ads account through InsightfulPipe and starts pulling campaign data. Here is the finished report. It shows account-level KPIs including 284,000 in total spend, 9.4 million impressions, and over 5,000 conversions. The campaign performance table breaks down all 8 campaigns with spend, impressions, clicks, CTR, CPC, and conversions. The top performing campaigns section highlights the best campaigns with detailed analysis of why they succeeded. Claude also generates a recommended new campaign structure with ad group themes, targeting approach, budget allocation, and a creative framework. Now let's take it further. Ask Claude to create this campaign directly in Google Ads with a paused status. Claude creates all 5 ad groups, adds 24 keywords, and builds responsive search ads for each group, all set to paused. Here it is in Google Ads. The campaign Seller Growth 2026 is created with all 5 ad groups, set to paused and ready to activate. Each ad group has its own keywords and responsive search ads, all structured exactly as Claude recommended. That's Google Ads connected to Claude using InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit InsightfulPipe.com today.